Alright, Thundercats and Thunder Kittens. Let me add some of my goodies here. This is just a Marion dish for tonight. I didn't want to do that. We'll be doing my onions and my garlic. I'm getting that out the way. It's kind of hard, but I'm not complaining. I'm just working off an iPhone here. And I accidentally put in some of my okra. But it'll all work out right. Because I like my okra nice and crunchy. Now I'm going to let this do its thing. Saute it up. I already did my mashed potatoes. And that's just some salt and pepper, some butter. Nice and simple, nothing complicated. I wish I could have made some gravy, but I am the most terrible gravy maker on this planet. My friend Lachelle showed me how to make it several times. I need you guys to send me a doggone recipe, step by step, on how to make some doggone gravy. White or brown, I'm good with it, or anything that you get down with like James Brown. So, let's make this happen. And I got my chicken is super duper done. I just got it resting in the oven right now with some lime on top, with some thyme, some salt and pepper. And it smells good, and I already nibbled off a couple of pieces.